So for this look, we're going to be using the Diva Professional Styling Crimper. The great thing about these crimpers is they go all the way up to 230 degrees, which is perfect because we all know how long it takes to crimp. So when you're using these, you really can just hold it onto the hair a few seconds at a time. The other great thing about them is they have really squashy floating plates. And what that means is it's not going to put too much pressure on the hair, so it's really going to reduce damage. I'm going to be creating two different kind of looks today. So first of all, let's take a section and let's have a look at doing a traditional crimp. Take a nice long section, comb it out flat, start as close to the root as possible. Just squeeze for a couple of seconds and release. And then what you need to do is make sure that you're lining up the crimps each time, so there's a nice continuity. The next technique I want to show you is something that's a little bit more high fashion. It's really, really big at the moment for doing hair up because it gives you really, really great fluffy texture to work from, completely different to this texture here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my section again and back comb it all the way up to the root first. And then I'm going to take my crimper and just slowly squeeze over the top. You really don't need to worry about the direction because if anything, with this look, we're going to try and get rid of the lines. Take a soft brush and start brushing out from the bottom. And there you can see a really nice, airy, line-free texture.